Hello guys, welcome to my channel. There are several ways to convert a document to PDF on a mobile device depending on the type of document and the mobile operating system you are using. Here are some general steps to follow. First of all, you should have to open Google Docs application. If you have not this application, you can download it from Google Play Store, and there are many files are available, but I'm creating a new file here, and then tap on new document. Let's suppose I am typing something. This is the new document file. Now I have typed something. After that, tap on these three dots here, and here tap on share and export option, and here save as. And here there are many types of formats available you can convert it to, but we will select PDF and then OK. Now this file has converted to PDF, but how to download it? So for this, tap on this download option. This will redirect you to Google Drive. So here select any web browser. I am selecting Chrome, and here select your email address on which you have created Google Drive account. If you have not created Google Drive account, so before this you should have to create Google Drive account. Now Google Drive account has opened, and you should have to select web browser again, and now you should have to tap on download option. Now it is downloading. Now the file has downloaded, so let's check. I'm using PDF viewer. You can use any one, but if you have not this app on your phone, you can download it from Google Play Store. So you can see this is the new document file, and this has downloaded in PDF format. So hope this will help. If you have any type of questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks.